Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we're looking at the inside of my Easter basket. This was mine as a child. And is there something inside of these eggs? Who's this, Tiny fans? It's Peppa Pig. And today we're going to the arcade to get a special surprise egg from a chocolate chicken. Who's inside this sparkly egg? It's one of Peppa's friends, Dora the Explorer. Hola! That's hello in Spanish. There's a special machine called Lucky Eggs. And there's the chocolate chicken. It's not really made of chocolate. It's probably just plastic. And she's laid all these colorful eggs. Which one is your favorite color? I like the pink and the purple one. Let's read the instructions. Insert a coin and I will lay an egg with a present inside for you. Okay, let's insert our coin. She's spinning around and clucking. Oh, there's a little baby on her back. Did her egg come through? Not there. There, we got a green and a blue one with a blue ring inside, a little spiky ring. Now it's time to play a game. We insert our coins and we get a whole bunch of ping pong balls. The squares are orange in color and you use the ping pong balls to throw them onto the squares to turn them to blue. The object of the game is to try and get all of the orange squares to turn blue with your ping pong balls. It's pretty difficult, but we're still getting lots of points. Oh, we only had 4 more squares. Maybe let's try it one more time. Uh-oh, we're running out of ping pong balls. I don't think we're going to get them all changed to blue. Maybe it's time to go to the candy machine, where everyone is a winner. If you miss the first time, you'll get a second turn. And if you miss the second time, you'll still get another turn. You just never know what the claw will pick up. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.